I'm Laura.
And I'm Lola. We're here to talk about how to use essential oils. You don't have to be an expert to enjoy the many benefits that essential oils offer. There are three ways to use essential oils. The first way is through smell or aromatic use. This includes any application method that helps you experience the aroma of the oil. You can use essential oils aromatically by diffusing in an essential oil diffuser such as this. This is a travel sample diffuser. By applying a drop to your hands and inhaling it, I have peppermint oil here. So if I put a drop in my hand, rub it in, gives me a good pick-me-up. Also wearing it as a personal fragrance. So I have a rose oil roll-on, and I like to use it for perfume. So I can roll it on my wrist, rub it in on my neck, and just enjoy a rose fragrance. Rose is my favorite fragrance.
The second way you can use essential oils is on your skin. Topical application of essential oils allows the oil to absorb into the skin. Some ways to use essential oils on your skin are massage, by massaging it into your skin. What is that?
Copaiba.
Copaiba. Now, this is good if you have soreness or some sort of pain. You can just rub it into the area of discomfort. Like if my finger was hurting right here, I'll just put a drop in my hand and just rub it right on there. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to use a carrier oil such as coconut or avocado, something of that type. You can also apply it to targeted areas and rub it in, just like I said. And you can add it to lotions or moisturizers. doTERRA has a brand which is just a plain lotion that you can use for your face or body, and you can actually put the lotion in your hand, a drop or two, and then put the oil there, mix it up, and then rub it together. Some people don't like oils on their skin, I have heard. So a lotion and then add the oil in it. You can apply it to your skin as well.
Also, as we do, if the lotion bottle spout is large enough, we like to drop a few of the oils in the lotion and shake it up and have it already in our full bottle of lotion. So when we use it, it's already there. Yes. The third way is ingesting or internal use of essential oils, which allows the oil to be transported throughout your body. Make sure the essential oil is safe for internal use first, and then try one of these methods. Adding a drop to the glass of water, like we said, peppermint or orange or lemon. Those are three essential oils that are good to add to your water. You can also put essential oils in a veggie capsule, like you're taking a supplement or vitamin, and get it in your system if the oil, of course, is good for internal use. Or you can put a drop of oil under your tongue for ingesting it into your body. So those are three ways to ingest it.
If you're ready to learn more, click on the link below. Once you learn how to use essential oils, you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Download our free ebook, 100 Uses for Essential Oils, and get answers to all of your questions about essential oils. Learn everything you need to know to naturally transform your life with the power of essential oils.
Join us for our next video.